Alright, what's going on, folks? We're about to be changing out the brake pads on a 2006 Pontiac G6. On this car, all you need to do is remove your bottom screw from your caliper down here, and it should be able to flip straight up. I'm about to do that now. I'll show you. I'm changing out the passenger side, and on the passenger side, the screw is going to actually go down. To loosen, you press it down like that, and once you have the bottom screw out, you don't even have to take off the top one. Next, you just take your caliper and flip it up like that, and you'll be able to see your brake pads. I'm also going to be pushing back the caliper itself with my C-clamp, which all you want to do is take it, you want to push it all the way back till it's level. So now I got it like that. You'll see this push back in. You want to do it kind of slow, and you'll see it go back in. Alright, as you can see, pretty much I got the caliper pushed all the way back in now with my C-clamp. This is important to do because if you don't push this all the way back in, you probably won't be able to get your caliper to go back over your new brake pads. So now I'm just taking off my C-clamp. Alright, so as you can see, that's pushed all the way back in. Next thing I want to do is change out the brake pads itself, which I'm just going to pop them out like that. And as you can see, those are kind of wore down. I'm going to put the new ones on. Alright, now I'm about to be putting the brake pads back on. And if you can see, there's little clamps right here. You can zoom up on it and see those little pieces right there. You just basically are sliding the brake pads right inside of those little slots. Like that. And it should have a nice snug fit against your actual rotor. This is your rotor. You want to do the other side the same way. Under in, just like that. You got your new brake pads on. Now all you have to do is flip your caliper back down. Make sure this rubber piece right here, that you push that in, so this end of this actually goes over top of that. Like that. Then once you've done that, you want to take your screw that you took out. Remember to loosen on the passenger side. It goes down, so to tighten, you want to tighten up like that. And pretty much you're done. And now what we're going to do is put the wheel back on, and you always want to pump your brakes before you start driving. That way the caliper can push your brake pads back out to make contact with your rotor again. Alright folks, thanks for watching, and once again, this is how to change out your brake pads on a 2006 Pontiac G6, or 2007-2006 Pontiac G6. Thanks.